Hey everybody, at BV Matson here with KeepOnWrenching.com, and we added another vintage Honda to the Keep On Wrenching garage. Got to use that motorcycle trailer for the first time. Actually got some lights rigged up, made everything work really well, and I'm telling you, that trailer is a game changer for getting and saving these old vintage Hondas. So you know what, I'm gonna go right to the browser right away. Here's what I've got. I've got a CA77 Honda Dream. I've got one. This one is in black, and hopefully that's what it's going to look like when we get done with it. That's not exactly what I'm starting with, but I am starting with a complete bike. Facebook Marketplace got me again. It got me again. It was incorrectly labeled a 62. It actually turned out to be a 67, but get this, it has a title. It's got a title, and that is huge when restoring these old vintage bikes. Super stoked about that. But yeah, we've got ourselves a Honda Dream in the Keep On Wrenching garage. It's gonna be a sweet one. I kind of like this blue color. I don't know if I'll go back to the black. I don't know. This project is gonna be a long ways off, all right? It's probably gonna be next spring before I actually get to this, but oh my God, look at that in blue. 67 CA77 Dream. It's a 305. Get this, it's a 305 with a single carburetor. So it's a twin, but it has a single carburetor. Who knew? Very unique, and a lot of new nuances going on with that thing, man. It's gonna be amazing. So yeah, let's take the first tour. And here we go. Here we go again. I think this is gonna be a spring project in the Keep On Wrenching garage. 1967 CA77 Honda Dream. Got myself a Dream, ladies and gentlemen. How cool is that? Look at those white wall tires. Woo! Pretty damn cool. Take a look at the odometer. Oh, whopping 6,803 miles on it. The gauge is in great condition. It's looking beautiful. And I'm telling you, I just love these older Hondas, man. Got such character, such class, little details. All the metal looks to be in great shape on it. Even down to the wheels. Wheels don't even look that bad. Not worried about the aluminum. We'll polish that up. But yeah, look at the character on this bike. Look at that. Pretty good, pretty good. Something's going on in the gears. Not able to turn the motor over, but I don't think the engine is stuck. I think there's something else going on there. Man, they changed a lot. 1967, look at the little details. I love the little details on these bikes. Missing the rear light lens. No big deal, but take a look at this rear wheel. Not looking too shabby at all. These Dreams, got that rectangular shock. It's pretty much all here. These frames are super different, like solid, super unique. Look at that. Mufflers rotted out at the bottom. So mufflers are gonna be a chore, but it's another 305. And interestingly, it's a 305 twin cylinder with a single carburetor. That's gonna be different, little different nuance on this bike. Take a look. Complete with the chrome pad and the badge. Take a look inside the tank. The tank ain't too pretty. Tank's gonna be looking at some vinegar and evapor rust on the tank. Hopefully it doesn't have a bunch of holes in it. We'll find out. Switches are all in place. It's all there. Everything's here. They're always missing the mirrors for some reason. Got those weird little circusy bars on it. Love it. So much character on these old Hondas. Got some other parts just laying around. I did get the headlight. So headlight is there and the chrome is in not too bad of shape on that. May have noticed the gas tank was missing. Part of it's chrome beauty, but there it is with the rubber pad. It is missing that Honda emblem. But then we also have the carburetor cover, which is different. Never seen one of these before. And the other side cover is there as well. So mostly complete, pretty blown away. Look at the seats in great shape. I won't be diving into this one until the spring because I've got the Super Hawk that I'm working on now. Let's see, is this one rotted out? This one doesn't, a little bit, no, maybe a little bit there, but not too bad. There it is. It's in pretty damn good shape. Of course, I'll do a frame-up restoration on it, and it'll be great. But yeah, little nuances, more stuff to learn on this thing. Look at this. It even has freaking Honda on the foot pegs. Love the little details. Super exciting. 1967 CA77 Super Hawk has found its way into the Keep On Wrenching garage. Actually got to go and pick this one up today, and I used that kind of mobile foldable motorcycle trailer. Went great. Definitely need to make a video about that thing. Super slick. It was the maiden voyage of that motorcycle trailer that was featured on the channel quite a while ago, but getting this 1967 CA77 Dream was amazing. That trailer absolutely rocks. Highly recommended. This one just needs a little bit of love and care, man. I think I'll take it back to the frame, get it all the way down to the frame, and we'll go one piece at a time to get this thing restored. It's in really good shape, but man, I really think we can make it beautiful. I gotta thank Steven for this opportunity. It was awesome to meet him. He's a fellow Keep On Wrenching member, and yeah, I can't wait to restore this one. It's gonna be hard to hold out, but it's gonna spend the winter under a roof and ready to go next spring. So what do you think? Have I lost my darn mind picking up another one, saving another one? I don't think so. Just kind of going back in time again, back to the 60s and the Honda Dream. Such a cool name. It's a little circusy looking to me, which I find really endearing. I think it's pretty damn cool. I just wanted to give you a quick look at it. It does have electric start. Whether or not that works or not, I don't know. Definitely after tearing down the Super Hawk, I see some similarities. I see some differences in a big way. But that's all part of the journey. Be watching for this one in the future. Again, I think this will be a spring project, but you never know. Might go diving into it. You never know. It just depends. Just depends. It's freaking cool. All right, guys, just had to give you a quick look at it. It's a dream, Honda Dream CA77. Ooh, building out that vintage Honda motorcycle collection, man. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a lot of fun. If you enjoy the videos, be sure to subscribe. Also, find us on Facebook, the Keep On Wrenching community group. And don't forget to visit keeponwrenching.com and get yourself that free sticker. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video or live stream.